If you're managing a busy commercial kitchen, having reliable plumbing products matters. The T&S Brass B-24K spray face, bumper, and screw repair kit offers a solid solution built to last. With over 70 years of expertise, T&S Brass has earned its reputation as a leader in food service plumbing, delivering quality you can count on every day. This repair kit fits perfectly for those needing to replace worn spray faces or bumpers. The kit's dimensions: 8.0 inches long, 5.0 inches wide, and 10.1 inch high, make it an ideal fit for many commercial setups. Weighing just 1 pound, it's easy to handle and install without hassle. One key benefit of choosing T&S Brass is the assurance of OEM-quality parts. Using genuine components means fewer issues down the line and better overall performance. Customers consistently report smooth operation and durability, which are critical in fast-paced kitchen environments. A top review from the United States highlights an important insight. Sometimes, the problem isn't the part itself but related issues like water pressure. In this case, the water pressure was at 90 psi, well above the recommended 40 to 60 psi. Once the pressure was adjusted, the spray malfunction stopped, proving that proper maintenance goes hand in hand with quality parts. Why does this matter? Because it shows that while the T&S Brass B-24K kit is reliable, understanding your system's conditions can save time and money. It's a reminder that diagnosing the root cause of issues ensures you're investing in the right repair. If you're looking for a trusted brand that professionals rely on, T&S Brass stands out. Their products are designed specifically for commercial kitchens, combining durability with precision engineering. This kit is worth a look if you want to maintain peak performance without unnecessary downtime. Ready to upgrade your kitchen's plumbing with a dependable solution? The T&S Brass B-24K spray face, bumper, and screw repair kit delivers what you need: quality, ease of installation, and peace of mind. Try it when you're ready to make a smart investment in your kitchen's efficiency.